Yo, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Continuation video. Next trade is NZDJPY. NZDJPY, I'm looking to sell in the NZDJPY. So, coming down to the weekly. The weekly, we are bullish on the weekly. Okay, we are bullish on the weekly. This has been our higher high. This has been our higher low. Very interesting markets. We are having this market a very clean support and resistance zone. You can see whenever we break below, using it as a resistance at the zone. Okay, whenever we break above, retest as a support. Now we're broken below, retest as a resistance, push to the downside. Then coming down to the daily. We are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Alright, you can see whenever we break below, retest, push to the downside. Whenever we break above, retest to the upside, which is a support. Alright, this is a clean market. Coming down to the 4 hour, we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. And also on the 4 hour, we are having something very, very interesting building up. We are having the left shoulder, the head. Now we're going to have the right shoulder as I coming back. Once I have that right shoulder, 2-hour bearish engulf on the right shoulder, or 2-hour bearish indecision, we always do the trick. Okay, that will be our entry, and we'll have that push to the downside. All right, I just need this pullback to take out the zone, to close below the zone. Coming back for a retest, I'll be going for that left shoulder, for that right shoulder. The next trade, USD card. I'm actually looking to buy USD card, although USD card we might still have that push to the downside for a sell, but I'm looking to buy USD card simply because I love this rejection right here. Okay, and you can see this market has a tendency of buying from the zone, and it's a very clean support and resistance zone, very clean. On the daily, on the weekly, we are bullish. This has been our higher high, this has been our higher low. All right, but if this market take out this low this week, we are going to be in a long downtrend for USD card. So on the daily, we are bearish. This being our lower low. On the daily, we are bearish. This being our lower low, lower high. All right. Now we are at a very clean support and resistance zone on the daily. Okay, very clean support and resistance zone. Very clean. Coming down to the 4 hour. 4 hour as well. 4 hour is what? 4 hour is bullish. 4 hour is bullish. This has been our higher high. This has been our higher low. So I'm simply waiting for this market to pull up or break out of the zone. As I do retest, I'll be going for my buy US card. The next trade, gold. I'm trading gold this week, guys. I'll be trading gold this week. Although I don't have that much delta for gold, but look at this. Gold looks really, really beautiful. All right, last week I sold gold, analyzed gold, and I sold it. US gold weekly, we are bearish. On the weekly, we are bearish. All right, this has been our lower low, this has been our lower high, and you can see this market is at this clean zone. We have this beautiful rejection, the weekly rejection. All right, even when we broke below, we retested, gave us this beautiful rejection. Coming down to the daily, on the other hand, you can see whenever we are above, using as a support, rejection from the zone. Whenever we are above, as a support, and now whenever we are below the zone, whenever we break below, look at this beautiful rejection as at the zone. I love all this rejection that I'm seeing on this zone. And now we have broken below. This is a retest. The daily has given us a bearish indecision, and you know, bearish indecision is one of my most performing candle stick formation for the market. So we have this now. What I'm waiting for now is to come down to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we are having something building up, just like we did as at the zone, just like we had the head and shoulder pattern breakout, the necklace at the retest. Now we are having something similar. We are having the left shoulder, we are having the head. Now we are going to have this breakout as at the retest. On the right shoulder, I'll be getting it on the right shoulder, then have that push to the downside, just like I did here. All right, I had this push, left shoulder, I have this head, I have this right shoulder, and I enter as at the right shoulder, as at the breakout of the zone, breakout of the neckline. We also have we also have a different retest, then this market push to the downside. So that's pretty much it for this week. Stay tuned because I'll be taking all this trade live, so turn on the notification button, like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe if you haven't already. All right, it's Sunday. Few hours will be on few hours now. The market is going to be open. So stay tuned, keep your head in the game. I'm wishing you a profitable week ahead. All right, stay tuned. I'll see you all this week. Let's get them this week. All right, guys, peace out for now.